So why do women grow facial hair in menopause? Let's talk about it. Did you know that 39% of menopausal women notice a change in their facial hair? Some women are genetically disposed to have very little hair follicles on their face, which will never develop because their hormone changes in menopause. Yet, many women do notice that the natural downy, fine hair on their face becomes much more coarse, developing into whiskers on their chin and upper lip. Now, what causes menopausal facial hair? Excess circulating testosterone causes facial hair. As your estrogen levels start to bottom out in menopause, your testosterone becomes free to stimulate hair follicles in the male distribution, which includes on your face. Excessive testosterone is most prevalent in the postmenopausal years, which is 2 years after your last period. Does HRT help menopausal facial hair? Yes, getting your hormones back into balance can really help, but using estrogen helps bind excess testosterone to prevent stimulating facial hair growth. HRT will not get rid of the existing facial hair though. It'll have to be permanently removed with laser or electrolysis. Yet without balancing your hormones, more facial hair will grow back. I have also found that if you just have a few chin whiskers, that using progesterone topically right on the hair follicle can be helpful to diminish testosterone stimulation. Eventually that follicle stops growing hair. Now, do alternative therapies work to get rid of menopausal facial hair? Yes, the same herb that works to block men's testosterone if they have an enlarged prostate can actually help block testosterone in women. It's often used in young women who have high testosterone levels, like those with polycystic ovary condition who suffer from hirsutism. The herb is called saw palmetto, and it can also be used for menopausal facial hair. The dose is 80 to 160 milligrams a day, but you don't want to block too much of your testosterone because that will cause weakness in your bones and muscles. You can also help to balance all of your hormones to combat menopausal facial hair by supporting your hypothalamus nutraceutically. I have found that my patients who take Genesis Gold regularly through the change of life get much more bang for their buck when it comes to balancing their hormones. Their endogenous hormones, which are hormones that their body makes naturally from their adrenal glands, are much more effective, and they need less exogenous hormones like bioidentical hormone replacement therapy to work better to help suppress growing excessive facial hair. If you have any questions regarding facial hair and menopause, please join us in our hormone support group, which you can access by signing up for my free hormone reboot training below. In order to combat menopausal facial hair, you must reduce the masculinizing effects of testosterone on the hair follicle and support your hypothalamus to keep your hormones in a natural, more feminizing pattern. I'll see you in the next video.